Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about recursive feature elimination concept. Now let's see what it is. Okay. So what is recursive feature elimination exactly? So the recursive feature elimination is a widely used feature selection technique in machine learning. So we have many feature selections, text to feature selection, text to feature engineering. So in that way, it is also one of the widely used feature selection technique in machine learning. So it aims to enhance model performance by systematically removing less important features and retaining the most significant ones. So suppose if we are having many inputs, many features, in that some features are unimportant, very less important. So in such cases, what this RFE, that means recursive feature elimination will do, it will remove the less important features and it will retain the more important features. And here is an in-depth look at how RFE works, its advantages and disadvantages we will see in the next slides and the implementation. Okay, right, how RFE works. So here these are the steps that RFE works exactly. So what is the first one? Initial model training. First they will train a machine learning model. Then after that feature importance evaluation. So we will check the feature, it will check the important features and it will evaluate that. After that it will remove the least important features, that is feature removal. Least important features it will remove and it will repeat the procedure and retrains the model with remaining features and will take the final selection. So if you go through the diagram, we will check. So how it is working? First we have to train the machine learning model, then obtain the important features, then remove the least important features and retrain the machine learning with the remaining features, and then the last one is the final selection. Okay, this is how the RFE works. Now we'll see one by one how it is going to work. The first one is initial model training. So in the initial model training, so start by training a model. Example, you can take any regression model or SVM, any technique, any machine learning technique you can take and using all available features. First, what we will do with all the available features, we'll train the model. Then feature importance evaluation. The model assigns a score or weight to each feature based on its contribution to the prediction task. This can be done through various metrics such as coefficients in linear models or feature importance in tree-based models. So what they will do, it will give you the scores or weights for the all the features. That is called the evaluation. So once we got the weights or the scores for the features, then it is easy to identify and remove the less important. So what is the next step after this? Feature removal. So once we got the scores or the weights of the particular features, we can identify which is the important one, which is the less important, and we will remove the less important features from the data sets. So it will remove the less important features based on their weights and scores. What is the next step? Repeat. So retrain the model with the reduced feature set, evaluate the new feature importance, and repeat the process of removing features until a specified number of features is left or performance declines. So we will repeat this procedure. So once the procedure is repeated, again we will train the model with the reduced feature sets. Again it will give some weights to the features. Based on the weights, again it will identify and remove some more features. So until up to which step? Until a specified number of features we reach. Then final selection. Once we reach to the specified number of features, the last one is the final selection. What is the final selection? The remaining features after the iterations are considered the most valuable for the model. So these are the very, very important features. The final we will select. So these are the steps that are there in the recursive feature elimination. And coming to the advantages. So what are the advantages of RFE? The first one is improves model performance. How it improves the model performance? By eliminating irrelevant or redundant features, RFE can enhance model accuracy and reduces the overfitting also. So irrelevant features, less important features, it will remove, so our model performance will increase. And increases the interpretability. What is this means? Fewer features make it easier to understand and interpret the model's behavior. Suppose if you are having more features, it is difficult to understand also. But with the help of this, we get only the selected features, important features, and less features. So once we got the few features, we can make it easier to understand and interpret the complete model behavior also. And one more advantage, automation. So what is this automation here is RFE automates the feature selection process, reducing the manual effort needed for the feature engineering. So here RFE automatically does this entire process, feature selection process. So there is no manual effort in the feature engineering. So these are the advantages of RFE. Okay, so this is the end of recursive feature elimination. Thank you.